Hello, my tiny tots. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing fine and taking good care of yourselves because it is very important to protect ourselves. And today's topic is all about protecting ourselves and keeping safe. So, welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids, at the Cap. And I will tell you how to keep safe. Okay, let's start our today's class. Okay, so tell me one thing. Whenever someone hurts you or touches you badly, what do you do? What's the first thing you do? Do you say no? Or you let them do it? No, you should say no. Stop it, okay? Whenever you feel that someone is touching you badly or someone is hurting you should stop them immediately. आपको उन्हें वहीं पे रोकना चाहिए, okay? You should say stop it, but you should shout. You should say no in a loud voice, okay? First step is always say no in a loud voice. What will happen? अगर आप shout करोगे तो everyone will hear you. सब आपको सुनेंगे एंड सब आपकी हेल्प करने आ जाएंगे, ठीक है? अगर आप कुछ नहीं बोलोगे तो क्या होगा? कोई आपके पास सुन नहीं पाएगा, राइट? एंड वो गंदा पर्सन आपको हर्ट करता रहेगा. सो वी शुड नॉट लेट दिस हैपन. हमको ऐसा नहीं करना है. We have to shout, we have to say no in a loud voice, okay? Next is go to a safe place. हमें नो बोल के तुरंत वहां से भागना है, निकलना है. कहाँ पर? टू अ सेफ प्लेस, जो हमारे लिए प्लेस सिक्योर हो, हमारे लिए सेफ हो, ओके? नेक्स्ट क्या करना है हमें? टेल योर पेरेंट्स और टीचर. हमें अपने पेरेंट्स को या फिर अपनी टीचर से शेयर करना है, ठीक है? क्या शेयर करना है कि आपको किसने हर्ट किया, आपको किसने टच किया बैडली, दैट यू विल शेयर टू योर पेरेंट्स or to your teachers, okay? The first step is what you will do. You will say no, you will go out and you will tell your parents. These are 3 steps that you must follow if someone hurts you or touches you badly, okay? Because if we let them do it, then क्या होगा? वो हमें ऐसा करते रहेंगे हमारे साथ and then we will cry, okay? We will be hurt, हमें चोट लग सकती है. So हमें ऐसा नहीं करना है. We have to say no, we have to go out and we have to tell our parents or our teachers, okay? Okay, so next is paste the pictures of people you feel safe with. Now here are 2 blocks, okay? 1 block and 2 block. Now you have to paste the pictures of people that you feel safe. जो आपको लगता है कि आप वो कभी भी हर्ट नहीं करेंगे, ओके? तो आप उनकी पिक्चर्स इस ब्लॉक में आपको पेस्ट करनी है. ऑलराइट, इट कैन बी योर पेरेंट्स और इट कैन बी योर ब्रदर, इट कैन बी योर सिस्टर, it can be your teachers also, okay? Because we are always there to help you. We can never hurt you, okay? You have to paste the pictures of people you feel safe with, okay? And you should always share all your secrets, all your stories with your teachers, with your parents, with your brothers, with your sisters, okay? We should always share our secrets. Okay, nothing is secret between parents, okay? Remember it because they will always help you. जब भी आप किसी मुश्किल में पड़ेंगे, who will help you first? Our parents will help us first. Don't forget that and share your secrets with your parents and teachers. Okay class, that's it today. I hope you have understood that how to keep ourselves safe by sharing our secrets. Don't forget that. I will see you in the next class. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Happy learning.